So in this Expedia tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to search cruises here on the Expedia application. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Expedia app. Once that is done, go to the bottom left, press on home, then go to the top here to where it says cars, package, etc. Scroll to where it says cruises. So you may see the screen right here. Simply just slide this bar to the right to where it says cruises right here, and you can press on cruises just like this. Another way we can get to the exact same screen here is exit out of this. Right here, go to the bottom left, press on the search icon, then go to the top here, and in the bottom right below cars, it says cruises, press on cruises. Now once you're on the cruises tab, you can go and select your destination. So for example, if you wanted to go to, let's just say the Bahamas, for instance, you can go ahead and press on Bahamas, press on done. You can change your dates, duration, press on search right here. And what it'll actually do here is now redirect you to the cruise options here. So it'll take a couple seconds, just like this, as you can tell. Just like that. So what you can actually do now is search a whole bunch of different cruises right here, straightforward, right in front of your face. So super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to search cruises here on the Expedia application. Thanks again for watching, and hope this video helps.